Cryptoslo with more crypto gains. What's going on, guys? Tonight's tutorial is on speeding up an Ethereum transaction. So a lot of times if you're new to ETH, you don't realize that the speed of a transaction depends on the amount of gas, the amount of power and fees you put behind a transaction. If you don't put the transaction up high enough, it's going to take a long time to go through. Now, Ethereum currently has about a 15 transactions per second throughput. So if you go over to Ethereum pending transactions, you can see right now there's 143,000 transactions waiting to go through. So basically, depending on the fees that you pay, the higher the fees you pay, the faster it goes through. So let's go ahead and interact with the dApp and see this in action. So as you can see here, I'm on Bankroll Life. I have a transaction that I want to do. So I'm going to hit roll, and now this is where the gas comes into play. Right now it's saying $2.81. So by default, not every transaction will have a gas fee that will allow it to go through quickly. So as a general rule, I always like to hit the edit button and check the gas. So I am going to intentionally make the gas slow because we're trying to start from this point of a slow transaction. Okay, so now let's pretend my transaction, my divs haven't rolled. What's going on? My transaction is so slow. I wish I would have used more gas. So to check a transaction, you simply click on your MetaMask wallet, and as you saw, that default gas said it was going to take 10 minutes to go through. Sometimes this can be hours. Sometimes you could have a transaction for hours. So you have a couple options. You can hit cancel, right, which we'll try to do. There's no guarantee that it will work. Or I can hit speed up. So you're here, you have your assets, you have your activity tab. So you're clicked on the activity tag. You're going to click on speed up, and then I'm going to crank the gas to fast. So you can see the amount of fees I pay is going to basically make the transaction go through faster. Remember, there's 143,000 other people waiting to transact. So the only way that you can get your transaction to go through, if you need it now, is to speed up the gas. So click on speed up. I'm going to go fast, hit save, and that said 24 seconds. So what it does is it goes out, and the nonce, which is the unique individual number for every transaction that's attached to your wallet, will be overwritten with a higher gas fee. And as you can see, boom, it went through. So that's all there is to it. If you have transactions that are stuck, simply go to your MetaMask, activate it, click on activity, click on the spinning stuck transaction per se, or slow transaction, hit speed up the gas, and you will be mint. Hope you enjoyed tonight's video. Like, subscribe, check out the other Ethereum tutorials on this playlist, and as always, this is Cryptoslo. If you're not talking gains, then we're not talking.